Mr. Trevin Hannibal.
Mr. Trevin Hannibal.
Mr. Trevin Hannibal.
Mr. Trevin Hannibal.
Trevin Hannibal.
Trevin Hannibal.
Trevin Hannibal.
Mr. Trevin Hannibal.
Mr. Trevin Hannibal.
Trevin Hannibal sir.
Mr. Trevin Hannibal.
Mr. Trevin.
To Trevin sir.
To Trevin.
Mr. Trevin's.
Trevin sir.
Mr. Trevin Hannibal.
Hi, I'm Iranjali Samarkon. I completed OCS exam in 2018 November. Trevin Hannibal sir was the lecturer. He helped me a lot to pass this exam in the first attempt.
To be honest, he's an amazing lecturer.
His classes helped me so much. It's more than the concepts he teaches you, it's the way he approaches to teaching you. You will never ever forget what he teaches you because it will be ingrained in your brain for the rest of your life. I still remember everything that he taught me.
Because you don't believe me, the things that he taught me is still in my mind, and
I could literally remember the lesson when I revise it for my exam.
Trevin sir made it easier for us to study SIMA as his methods of presentation of the lectures were marvelous.
Mr. Trevin Hannibal was really amazing because he simplified all these hard parts of the subject.
His teaching methods were absolutely innovative. He did mind maps and he gave us quizzes constantly to keep the class going.
When I say this, I can certainly vouch for my peers that Mr. Trevin was one of the most enthusiastic and energetic lecturers that has ever taught me.
His lecturing method and the way he imparts his knowledge is very unique. The way he interprets the subject contents makes us want to listen to him and helps us understand the subject content very easily.
His sessions were amazing, and he always finds new ways to approach us in a pleasant manner.
He makes life much easier. He has this special and simple study techniques, and homework packs is a special part in his lectures.
And his ability to teach us the most complex management accounting techniques was one of his strongest assets. Method of breaking down something as complex as management accounting and teaching us part by part.
Mr. Trevin Hannibal's way of teaching is very phenomenal.
He's a very qualified lecturer, he's a very knowledgeable lecturer.
his classes were never boring, and it was very energetic.
He's a brilliant lecturer who got unique methods, and he knows how to keep the class interesting and energetic all the time.
One thing that really made Sir's study sessions memorable was his unique teaching style.
The way he used to lecture us, it's amazing, simply amazing.
His lectures are really interesting and entertaining because he did many jokes throughout the lectures.
And since he adds his own humor to the way he lectures, it makes us want to stay in the class and listen to him throughout, which made us pass the subject with flying colors and get good results.
And you will never fall asleep during one of his classes. Trust me on this, because I had a reputation for falling asleep everywhere. So trust me on this. It was one of the best classes I ever went to, and I definitely recommend it 100%.
He was able to keep us awake, and I was never sleepy during his lectures, and we were very interactive with him.
We never got bored in his sessions.
He managed to keep the attention of the class even through one of the hardest lessons in the subject. His personality definitely complements his knowledge. Most of us remember him for is his fun way of interacting with the class.
His lessons are never boring because of the way he conducts the class, always have the interaction between the students.
Trevin sir made the subject very interesting.
I always look forward for his classes, and he keeps the class alive.
He could make boring topics into something super interesting.
And I was clearly the weakest in the class, but Mr. Trevin and his revision sessions really helped me. He made sure that I wasn't lagging behind. He always used to check on me. I still remember one day after class, asked me what areas I had difficulties in, and he really spoke to me, and he made sure that I got the guidance I needed.
Like that, he would assess us and check what is our position and what should we focus or study more on before sitting for the exam. So likewise, we were able to see our position and go through stuff that we are not that much thorough with. And he would advise us, do this, study this, do this question 5 times and go likewise.
He answered questions with real world problems.
His simple explanations with real world examples, past paper analysis, and the great tips about how to write answers helped me a lot to understand the subject. Trust me, I never attended classes and I only had 4 or 5 days left when I started watching his dinner series.
He didn't just teach us theory, he helped us understand why we were learning things and what we were learning. And I think this is something people lack nowadays. People look at papers and they just read and memorize papers instead of understanding how to apply real world situations into the theory they learn.
I'm very impressed with the questions given by Trevin sir, as they were very helpful for us to study for the exams.
More than a lecturer, he's like a teacher who always considers about his students, whether they understood, whether it's difficult or not, like that.
Trevin has mastered the art of online lecturing.
He did many exam questions, which is very important.
He always inspires us to be a better version of ourselves and use that technique to improve our CIMA exam results.
So I think it's a huge privilege if you can be a student of Mr. Trevin Hannibal for any subject.
His inspiration helped me to get through my CIMA exams as well as my university studies.
I think Mr. Trevin Hannibal did a fantastic job.
So likewise, I think that he did an amazing job as a lecturer at CIMA, and he was able to make us love the subject and make it more interesting. So he was an amazing lecturer, and I wish him luck for lecturing with CIMA at future also.
As well. After all, I am really grateful to Trevin sir for his time and effort and hoping to seek his guidance in the future as well.
That's why he is always and he always will be my favorite lecturer.
I was really lucky and privileged enough to be one of his students.
So therefore, Mr. Trevin is definitely one of the best lecturers that I have ever been taught.